So the passive income that keeps on giving, in this video, I'm going to do some more withdrawals. And you can see in my account now, I've got $653.72. So I'm going to withdraw that. So I'm going to click on the withdraw button. Now I'm going to be withdrawing the max. I'm withdrawing 653 into my crypto wallet. I'm going to get $646. And if we look down below, I haven't made a video on all of these, but here's some of the withdrawals I've done. As you can see, that's the 9th of the 3rd. Today's the 16th of the 3rd. And there's a 6th of the 3rd. So them ones are 3 days apart. And so these are withdrawals that I've done already. So as you can see, $265, $198, $231, and so on. Okay, so they're all there, and they're all inside my wallet as I speak. So I just click on withdraw. Like always, I need to put in the Google Authenticator. So I'll just do that. Click continue. So that's that payment pending. So now let's do my wife. So let's just make a note here of what we've withdrawn. So I'm going to copy that amount and pop that into my calculator. So let's go to my wife's account. And so my wife has got $391. That's again passive income, same system. So let's withdraw that. Click on the withdraw button. Same as before, I'm withdrawing the max, which is $391, and inside our wallet we're going to receive $386. And again, if you look below before I click the withdraw button, there's all the withdrawals that we've done so far on my wife's account, and they're all inside our crypto wallet. So all I need to do is to click on the button that says withdraw, put the Google Authenticator in, click continue. And that's that payment, $391.52. Let's get the calculator, pop that in there, equal that up. So that's $1,045.23 withdrawal on its way to our crypto wallet. How cool is that? Now, if you're interested in finding out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've put together a blueprint for you. You can have it completely free. You'll find the link for it below this video. Click that link, take you over to this page where you can grab a free copy of how I am doing a passive income, taking advantage of crypto volatility using automation and AI. You have a great day. Click the link if you're interested to find out what I'm doing. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.